Hello students, good morning. In the previous video, I discussed relationship between Kp and Kc. So Kp was Kc into RT to the power delta N of the gas. Now see when I see for the calculation of Kp for the reaction you say plus BB giving CC and then DB. All are gases is it. So Kp is equal to Pc to the power C into P to the power D, Pa to the power A into Pb to the power B. This was the equation. Now see A solid plus BB gas giving CC gas plus DD solid. What I will do? Kp is equal to Pc to the power C divided by Pb to the power B only. Solid you are taking as a unity. So solid you are not taking. Now, if I write the Kc equation, so it is not a gas. Kc equation, what I have to do? It is C to the power C divided by B to the power B. I am not taking the A concentration or the D concentration because they are taken as unity. Concentration of the solid are taken as a unity. So it is taken as unity only. But remember, A liquid plus BB liquid giving CC liquid plus DD liquid. Here we should not take anything as a unity because all are in the liquid form. Then by writing the Kc, you see C to the power C into D to the power D divided by A to the power A into B to the power B. But I cannot write Kp equation because that is gas. I can write the Kc for this, but I cannot write the Kp equation. But say here A liquid plus BB solid giving CC DD. Then here you should not consider liquid. But if all are liquid, then only you have to consider. Not that one is liquid and as a gas, then I should not consider that. I have to take the concentration as unity. And for this, if I write say here this is gas, this is solid, say, then Kp will be P into C, Pc to the power C. This is not considered, this is not considered, this is not considered, only this should be considered. What is the Kc relation? Kp is equal to Kc into RT to the power delta N of the gas. And how to calculate N of the gas? N of the product minus N of the reactant, but in a gaseous state. Or in the gaseous state. In the gaseous state here, this also in the gaseous state only. Then Kc, I know it is equilibrium constant with respect to concentration. Kp equilibrium constant with respect to partial pressure. And T is the temperature in Kelvin scale. Remember this. And the R value you have taken as 0.082, not 8.14. ATM, in that you have to take. So R value you have taken as 0.081, which is not in the kilopascal or pascal pressure. It will be in the 0.081 in the ATM pressure. You see, Kc is given out 26. Kp you have to calculate. So formula is Kp is equal to Kc into RT to the power delta N of gas. Delta N of the gas is equal to 1 plus 1 minus 1. 1 plus 1 minus 1. These are all gases only. So delta N of gas is 1. And the R value is 0.082. How to solve this now? See here, N of PCl5 is given as 2 mole. Volume is 2 liter. Okay. Now, temperature is 400. It is 273 and 673 Kelvin. We said at equilibrium, concentration of PCl3 is equal to 40% of 2 moles of PCl5 in 2 liter. So you see, reaction is PCl5 giving PCl3 plus Cl2. He has given it as 2 mole initial concentration. 2 mole per 2 liter. This is not that, this is not that. So this is equal to 1. Now concentration reacted. Here it is from the 1. X by 2 is going out. So x by 2 remains, x by 2 remains. And yes, said x by 2 is 40% of that 1. It is a 40% of the PCl5. So x by 2 is equal to 0.4. X by 2 is 0.4. So this is 0.04. This is 0.4. This is also 0.4. Now, concentration at equilibrium remaining So 1 minus x by 2. This is 0.4, already we got 0.4. So it is 1 minus 0.4 is 0.6. X by 2 is 0.4. So 1 minus x by 2 is 0.6. Now equilibrium constant Kc is equal to PCl3 concentration into Cl2 concentration divided by PCl5 concentration is equal to 0.4 into 0.4 divided by 0.6 is equal to 0.4 into 0.4 is 0.16 divided by 0.6, which I can write as 16 into 10 over minus 2 divided by 6 into 10 over minus 1. So is equal to 6 1s are 6 2s are 6 2s is 12. 4 is remaining. 6 are 36. 4 remaining. So it becomes 2.6666 like it repeats. So I write it as 2.67. 10 over minus 1. 10 over minus 1 don't get cancelled. Only minus only means into 10 over minus 1. Or this value I can write as 0.267. This is the answer. This is how to solve this. This is how to solve this problem. Now, see the next question that equilibrium constant for the following reaction is, and he has asked with the Kc. Equilibrium constant Kc is asked. I can write for Kp also. So Kc is equal to what happens here? P4 410 solid concentration divided by P4 solid concentration into O2 concentration, which is the gas, to the power 5. See, if the skeleton equation is there, don't write the equilibrium constant for the skeleton equation. First balance it, then write it. Now Kc is equal to, see, concentration of the solid is taken as unity only. So it is 1 divided by P4 also solid only, 1 into O2. It is gas, so I have to consider it. O2 to the power 5. That is Kc is equal to 1 over O2 to the power 5. Sometimes like this also can be written. Kc is equal to O2 to the power minus 5 is the equilibrium constant. Like this also sometimes answer may be that. Solid should be taken as unity. See, if all are liquid, then we should not take it as a unity. All the values you have to consider. Next, equilibrium constant for Kc for the following reaction. See, all are liquid, so I should not take anything as unity. So Kc is equal to CH3 COOH concentration into CH3OH concentration divided by CH3 COOH3 concentration into water concentration. Here we are not taking as a unit. If one is solid, then all are gases, only gases you consider. Say one is liquid, all are gases, then only the gases you have to consider. For the liquid you have to take it as unity. But here all are liquid, so don't consider as unity and write K is equal to 1. And as is a liquid, I cannot write the Kp for this. Don't use Kp is equal to Kc into RT to the power delta N. No. Now see the next problem. For equilibrium 2NOCl, which is at equilibrium with 2NO and Cl2, Kc value is known. Just here, Kc value is known. So write on that. Kc is equal to 3.75 into 10 over minus 10. At 1069 Kelvin, T is given in the Kelvin only, so direct writing. And R value we know 0.082. Then calculate the Kp. Kp you have to calculate. So formula is Kp is equal to Kc into RT to the power delta M gas. So delta N of the gas you have to calculate is equal to N of product minus N of reactant, which are in the gaseous category. So is equal to, calculate that, 2 plus 1, 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1. 2 plus 1, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 only. So substitute now. Kp is equal to 3.75 into 10 to the power minus 10 into R 0.082 into 1069 to the power 1. RT to the delta is 1. And get the values. So it is 328 into 10 to the power minus 10 is equal to 3.28 into 10 to the power minus 8. Now see the next problem. For the reaction 2SO2 plus O2 given to SO3, which is at equilibrium, what is the value of Kc? So Kc you have to calculate when the equilibrium concentration of SO2. So SO2 equilibrium, then O2 equilibrium concentration, SO3 equilibrium concentrations are given also. How much it is? This is 0.64 m, this is 0.82 m, and this is again 0.64 m. This is 60. And finally you have to calculate Kp also. So delta N of the gas, I can write it over there. It is 2 minus 3, which is minus 1. So I have to calculate the Kp also. So I can write R is equal to 0.082. It continues, so I can make it 0.83 also. And see, if you don't give the temperature, you have to take it as standard temperature of 25 degrees Celsius or 298 Kelvin. This is if in the problem the temperature is not mentioned, take the standard temperature of 25 degrees Celsius or 298 Kelvin. So here they did not give. So temperature is 298 Kelvin. So first we calculate the Kc value. Kc value is equal to SO3 concentration to the power 2 divided by SO2 to the power 2 into O2. This is how the equilibrium constant for that equilibrium. So substitute the values. SO3 is 0.64. 0.64 square divided by SO2 is 0.60. 0.60 square into 0.82. This is for oxygen. And remember, 4 options will be there. This is 0.64, 0.60, almost nearer. I can go for the cancellation, almost cancellation. And I'll give the values also. Just see what are the values given out there. See, option given out are 1.21195, 12.195, 0.12195, 121.195. See, options are not very close to each other, so little approximation here will not do anything. Little approximation. So it will be 1 by 0.82. Means my answer should be near to 1 point something only. It cannot be 12 point, it cannot be 121, I can directly neglect. Even it cannot be less than 1 also, because numerator is greater than the denominator. So this also ignore, only this answer. No need to again calculate like this, 1 by 0.82 etc. No need to calculate. Directly consider A is the option. We got the value of Kc as 1.219. He asked for the calculation of Kp. So Kp is equal to Kc into RT to the power delta N of gas. So delta N of the gas is 2 minus 3 is 1 only, minus 1. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. R is 0.083. T did not give me, so you have to make it as 298 Kelvin. So Kp is equal to 1.219 into 0.083 into 298 to the power minus 1 is equal to 1.219 divided by 0.083 into 298 to the power 1. So now we break that into the power 1 etc. Get the answer. If at all I write scientific notation, 4.9 into 10 to the power minus 2 is the Kp value for this reaction. Write on this. Now next problem is here. For the reaction 2SO2 plus O2 given to SO3, what is the value of Kc when the equilibrium concentration of SO2, O2 and SO3 are 0.60, 0.82, 1.9 respectively? Also calculate Kp. Just a slight modification, I did only this difference because I want you all to practice, that's why. So do it fast now. Kc is equal to SO3 concentration to the power 2 divided by SO2 concentration to the power 2 into O2 concentration to the power 1. I will not write that previously I wrote, that's why I am not writing that given things. SO3 is 1.9 x square divided by SO3 is 0.60 x square and it is 0.82 for the oxygen. Okay. Now, what you can do is 1.9, you may make a mistake. So make it as 19. 19 are how much it is? 361. 19 is 361. 10 to the power minus 1 is that here because it is 19 into 10 to the power minus 1 I can write. This is square. So it becomes 10 to the power minus 2. Then 0.60 I can make it as 6 into 10 to the power minus 1. 0.60 I can make this one 6 into 10 to the power minus 1. So 6 square is 36 into 10 to the power minus 2. Then 0.82 I can write it as 8.2 into 10 to the power minus 1 or I can write 82 into 10 to the power minus 2 also. 82 into 10 to the power minus 2. So 10 to the power minus 2, 10 to the power minus 2 get cancel each other. You see 36, 360 is almost 10 times. Almost 10 times. Okay. Now, how much it is now? 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power minus 2. So when the 10 to the power minus 2 comes to numerator, it becomes 10 to the power minus plus 3. 10 to the power 2 and 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 3 it becomes. So Kc is equal to 1 over 82 into 10 to the power 3. Now, see here the options. 1 over 82. So 1 over 82, 0, 0, 1. So I will have a 0.01 into 10 to the power 3. Means my answer should be nearer to 10 because 1 into 10 is 10, but greater than this because it is not 0.01 exactly. 18. So 82 2s means my answer should be near to 12. So answer is A. No need to completely calculate. I can go with this. It cannot be 24. It cannot be 36. It cannot be 2.67 also. And this one directly neglected out.